Today we're gonna test out whether the CB500X can handle a passenger. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're gonna ride towards the Netherlands again. I'm gonna ride with my girlfriend here. She's gonna be the passenger, and it's gonna be about 5 hours that we're gonna ride. We're gonna go to the Toren. You can Google that. We're gonna take the scenic route, of course, and I think it's gonna be a very nice ride. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm actually taking two passengers because I'm also taking our dog, Tilo. Let's go! Of course, we first had to get something to eat. I'm going to enjoy this. A national park or something with wild animals. You can just drive through it. That was pretty cool. This is our first break that we're taking. We stopped here on the side of the road and it seemed like a good place to stop, and lo and behold it is. We're at the water, it's really quiet here and all the birds are making sounds and it's peaceful, and there's a good trail here to walk with our dog. That's awesome. Hallo. Hey. So that kind of sucks. We rode all the way down here. We left home at 1 o'clock and now it's 5:15 5. So we've been on the road for 4 hours and 15 minutes and it's closed. The thing we wanted to see is closed. Nevertheless, it was an amazing ride and we had a lot of fun, but due to the fucking coronavirus, oh well. I love it. Do you want the bread?
I don't want the bread.
You don't want the bread?
No, I don't want the bread.
But the bread is good.
No, it's not good.
It is good.
It's carbs.
Sniff it. 1 second she doesn't want the bread, and the next she grabs her own bread. I don't understand, woman. Alright, we made it back. We already took his stuff off. And yeah, I just wanted to ask you if it was comfortable riding on this thing for about 5 hours and the last 2 hours were straight. So what do you think?
It was okay, especially in the beginning. It was quite comfortable. At the end, I did have some back pain and some knee pain, but apart from that, I think it was okay.
Mm-hmm.
You also have to have in mind that I'm not used to riding a motorcycle, so it was the first time that I rode for that long.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah, there's an adjustment period, I think,
yeah,
that needs to happen. And do you think if we would go on a trip, like a vacation, 2 weeks, do you think it would be possible with the CBX?
I think it would be.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think so too. I just think that maybe we should get some soft luggage
Yeah.
and really mind the weight, because I think with her on the back and just hard panniers and all the stuff inside, it would be a little bit too heavy. So we would really look into some soft luggage and think about what we're taking. So yeah, I think that pretty much confirms that CBX can handle a passenger and also long distance passenger riding. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So
Me too.
yeah, you too? Okay,
Yeah,
that's
me
great.
too.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, and now guess this movie quote. Take your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty ape.